Shenseea wants a girlfriend. Foota Hype say Conscience want to come out the closet. And Diamond diss Triple X for stealing crab legs. Full details on these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everybody out there in the best of health and being very productive. Now, before I get into today's story, I just want to send 2 birthday shout out real quick to female dancehall artists Talk Ashley and Nika Music. Both ladies celebrated their birthday yesterday, so just big them up on that. All right, let's get into today's stories, right? So Shenseea, let's talk about Shenseea. Shenseea posted a picture on her Instagram and she has a caption that says, "Think I'm ready for a girlfriend now." Yeah, but as some of the other stories them when me see a go around now, cause people are say she has said that because of this video I'm about for sure now. So take a look at this video real quick and listen to what Romeich say.
Come in, Nika.
And Nika what that?
Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, Nika, mash up my life. Why you want to stone your man, Edger?
So, the thing where Romeich say, him say, oh, you want to stone your man, Edger. So, people are say, yo, Shenseea just a post that just because Romeich said that she wanted for, you know what I mean? For kind of take off the focus off of that. Now, people, I don't have much to say about it. Romeich and Shenseea story been a going from aging. Since Shenseea boss, people are say, nay, people are say, yeah. To me, I don't really care. It's their personal business. You see me? But however, one time I find the things them I for sure no, because you know what I mean, that me do ya so. So me I sure know what me see and what the people them must say. So it's for me to present and for you to comment. So put in the comment section what you think about that. Alright? Let's move on to our next story. From what the Foota Hype and Conscience been going at it. Right? On the internet, them a go back and forth. Foota say I email boss. Couple of Conscience sang them, including the one who say we not frightened for nobody. Specifically, him say him responsible for that. Him saying choose it after Conscience play 4 songs for him and tell him to pick which one he think can run the place. Him pick that one and him bust it, then everybody else start run with it. Conscience say it wasn't that. It was a collaborative effort a whole heap of selector put in work in it. But anyway, they had their back and forth and Conscience went live and talk a bunch of things. Now, I have to tell you what Conscience say because Foota repeat everything and him answer to what Conscience say. So, let's hear some of what Foota say. Take a listen to this.
And Conscience a fight himself. Him really want to come out and just own up to the nasty life where I live. But him know say the business where him in a dancehall and him career will vanish in a minute. So him there a one place between coming out of the closet and staying as a dancehall artist. See? You go as far as say nobody in a business when nobody wants sex as long as them a drop it's wrong again. Another mentality they have why you have problems. You think it's okay to do whatever just as long as you have it song. No. First thing you just say coffee a lesbian, you know. You just say on your live and it recorded, you know. You say coffee a lesbian, a girl she love, you know. Me never ever said that. I've never said that. You say me a tear down coffee. Me not tear down coffee. Me a tear down the way how she dress. You understand? You a say low people make them do what they want to do. But at the same time, you say me a tear down people because me a say me not like how she dress. Me have a right to say me not like how she dress. Then you have an next part where you say you try defend, say you're a boss. Conscience, you are a boss. You know that. You eat pussy. You're a freak. And I'm sure of it. And I know people that you eat them pussy. You understand what I say?
So this live is a very long one, you know what I mean? Foota been a talk about the issue for a while, like a hour and had. And it's somewhere on the internet. Now, we have about 5 minutes of it, continuing on from when just say, on my Instagram page if you want to see that right at Dancehall IG. You can check it out. right? But the thing is, people, all of them people here where I follow, them did a friend, you know, and Foota and Conscience with a friend, and even Foota even addressed Cecile, Blackima, and some other people, and them used to be friend. Him say Nicky Z attached with him too, but him not really play the female, them no mind still. You see me? Him say him not argue with the female, them just Conscience, so I try style him a go answer, he nah make that go. You see me? But you don't know how it go, people. People fall out and then things start talk what happen from them times and times. You see me? So I don't know where this is going. Would I hope it over and done and I end of it. But if Conscience feel like he want to answer, you know, Foota not go make that go. Foota go answer again. And then we don't know what to go. But we don't want to see it get serious, you know. But anyway, you want to tell me what you think about what Foota just said in the comment section. Alright? So let's move on again, people. So Popcaan did an interview with a radio station, 105.5 The Beat. So you can check out that on Instagram. That's the handle, and then you can find the interview, the full interview. But anyway, I may have a little video clip for sure, no? And Popcaan talk about peace, and you know what I mean? What must say logical to me? He might talk about beef in a dance hall, he must say it's seasonal. But anyway, here what he must say for yourself. Check this out.
When I was beefing with these youths too, after the beef and everything, I tried to show them like, yo, the music needs unity, you know, to like bring it further within the world, you know, and I think that more dancehall artists should do collaborations and all that, so. I mean, we done bad already, you know, so like, beefing is the least to it, fam. You know, we just more focused on building hits and getting we name further out in the world, you know. It's like, beefing is just for a season, brother. Yeah. And when that season over, you just have to get to the real world again, where you know, say, you have your song a play straight across the world. That's my dream, bro.
Yeah, man, I have to commend the Unruly Boss for those words of wisdom. What must say make sense to me. You see what I say? And if the artist them pre-like what I must say, and I hope he might live up to what I must say too. But if the artist them pre what I must say, the man basically I say, yo, one time we do a clash and thing, we don't have to take it personal. We can clash with the entertainment factor, and then after that, a business again. We can do collab and them thing there. You know, you a big artist, me a big artist. If we collab, we a big tune, right? But we all know that the current dancehall is set up like that. If a man and a man no agree, if we have a little clash or a little words throwing or whatever, I just that or that. No man and no friend. And every man say camp and every man say camp. So, you know what I mean? Once again, big up Unruly Boss for that speech there. Now let's get to our final story today. Now yesterday the internet was swamped with images of Triple X, or one image at least, a mugshot, right? From the Brevard County in Florida. Brevard County Jail in Florida, right? I hope I say it properly. But it's alleged. I mean I say alleged because even though I see the photo and thing and people I say it dep on the internet or whatever, I'm not one of them people who are quick to jump up and accuse people or whatever. I don't know the story until Triple X a film part, you know what I mean? I can't say nothing. But allegedly, he stole some crab legs and some things from Walmart and he got arrested in Florida, right? Now, I know you know, say, when time you're up on the net and things happen, you see everybody who with you are against you. Now, I never know there's so much enemy Triple X have because a whole heap of people me see I say, yo, them and Triple X never good and them, you know what I mean? Basically, I rejoice. But anyway, Daima, I speak up to because Daima say apparently Triple X diss her. So this is our cue for diss him back. So let's hear what Daima say, alright? Listen to this.
Eggs. Answer me, you couldn't make me a robot in blood clad. Go, hey, you should have go earn your honest bread like how me like earn my honest bread. That me I tell you no. That more, what do you not talk about? Go, what do you... One time you know dancing, you just say my professor pan roadside and make sure them run me down go and run me down come. Hold on a man. Whoa, hold on a man. Hold on a man. What call me? Hold on a man. When a night time I come home, I'm gonna check out my piece of bag right. That's a she and count out my little change. Nobody can tell me some thief. When I work my honest bread. Triple X, take my foolish advice. You Triple X, take my foolish advice. Triple X, take my foolish advice. You see when them send you back home, Triple X, go down to halfway tree, lay down and put a sidewalk on a piece of cardboard, put a pan right there, Triple X, get some children to jump up in your belly like a bounce about, and people will throw $100 in it. That's honest bread. You won't have to teeth Mr. Krabs' legs. Okay? Bye-bye.
So that brings us to the end of this video, people. That's all our stories for today, right? Tune in tomorrow again. We'll go find more story upon the net for present to Uno, right? So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video or you watch any other video and you like them, please go ahead and subscribe and join the family. If you just subscribe, thank you for joining the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for keep on watching and keep on making the thing work. Thank you. Thank everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day and night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thanks.
We got Diamond in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.